Let's take a look at the multi-add feature in Rposio Cloud. If you head to your item section at the top, you'll see the multi-add button. If you click on there, you'll see the multi-add pane. The purpose of the multi-add section is so that you can add many items that share some of the same attributes all at the same time, rather than entering them one by one and choosing the same department, brand, price, cost, etc. To do this, let's start and choose which store we're going to apply these items to. We're going to choose a department. Let's find a brand. You can put a sub-brand, consumer units, quantity and case. I'm going to price them all the same. And they all have the same cost. They're all going to have the same selling rule because they're the same type of item. And I'm going to choose the tax. Now up at the top, you just enter the product number by either scanning if you have a scanner hooked up to your computer, or just type it in. I'll just type it in. There's product 1. Add another one. And let's add one more. Once you have them all in there, you just hit done. And you've created all 3 items all at once. Thanks for watching this walkthrough. For more information, visit us at www.insightrs.com or email support@insightrs.com.